Akuti, hey, Mr. Chiza. So nchi wakupangane let down ito. Kuchilima inquiry. Then we no. Sana tipange let down ya. Anthu amene simukuziwa. Ndinaonela, but naionela after. I was just looking at what he has said. Then to me, it shows a munthu amene ali remorseful at the loss of Chidima, but he is also grieving. He just lost his dear wife. Now, when people have lost Wokondedwa, like a wife, simunga apanga so drag wabweresa ku inquiry, ndukuma apanga grieve mafuso. What Msonthi needs right now is just peace of mind. That's what happens when you lost someone so close to you. All you want is peace of mind, That's what I saw. When I was watching Msonthi, negativity. He doesn't want the negative aura because there are so many angry people. And hakudziwa kuti panachitika ngozi panachitika chinthu china yake. Anthu akudziwa kuti anthu achanaphedwa. And munthu amene munganene kuti amaoneka ngati zero murumu libe ndi G-Dog ito basi. Because akuoneka ngati kuti he doesn't even understand what intelligence is. We have intelligence here, it mataniza policy, but it doesn't lead to prosecution. We just provide intel here, there. No. That means you don't know what intelligence is. But Mugagambaza Msonthi, no. That man is grieving. Let him be. He just wants peace of mind. I believe there was communication between Msonthi and Ntakoma, and it is as the way Ntakoma said it. Msonthi would have come there, Ndugu Kulaso, to validate what Ntakoma said. But Msonthi doesn't want negativity right now. The man just wants peace of mind. He wants to live his life. He doesn't want to be dragged with, because my recommendations for negligence it means there will be a lot of bad blood between so many people, especially in the military. So he doesn't want that. He just wants peace of mind. He's a courageous man, But right now, he wants to put this behind him. He wants to focus on recovering from, losing his wife. That's how it is, Let us give a man a chance to grieve. I'm feeling like Msonthi did well, That's okay. That's how it is. Anyway, let's get back to work.